Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from HONOR Magic6 Pro. So in the first step, let's open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again this request banner, click on the plus, any source and go back. That's it. Now you can send your message for free. Then click on the plus and choose source favorite document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. Like this photo for example. Then put the import. Now you can add this as shape to your document or the picture. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now you can choose the file type for a photo. Now choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button and that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.